Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going to see a vibrant set of fancy soft silk sarees. All these sarees are soft in nature and light in weight. Beautiful embossed designs are running all over the body along with a putta borders. Also, this set is coming with a contrast rich pallu and a contrast plain blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.